Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, this is going to be GFCI outlet redo part 2. I'm back out here on these GFCI outlets. It's been a week since I was here. The customer has been monitoring the situation. The outlet in the bathroom that I replaced has been fine. I really think that all them loose wires I found in that pedestal here last week is probably the issue. Now the one on the outside of the camper that the customer replaced just won't reset. When he first replaced it, it reset and it worked, at least momentarily, and then the next time he tried to use it, it didn't work. So I have tested that. I've tested that wiring on that outlet, double tested it probably three times. And I can't find a ground fault, and I'm not going to buy that special meter that some people suggested that I have. I forget the name of it, but I'll put it up here. I can even put a link to it in the Amazon store. And that's to remind y'all too. Always go down here and check out all the links and things going on in the description of these videos. A lot of stuff going on down there. So yeah, I'm just going to take that outlet apart today. Make sure that it is wired correctly, and if it is not, I'm going to put another new one in there, just cause it's a new part don't mean it's a good part. So I don't know what else to do. Now he did say the GFC outlet on the pedestal is just really flaky. Works, don't work, works, don't work. There's a pedestal beside it and it's not being used, and it is also flaky. So I don't know what's going on there. There might be something going on in the campground with those outlets. So I don't know. There's nothing loose in his pedestal, I know, because I went through it all last week. So let's go take this outlet apart and see what we find. I've got my meter set on ohms, and I've got it set to beep if it reads any continuity. There's what it sounds like when there's continuity. I'm just touching from ground to neutral. Oh, look at that, would you? Do have some continuity there. Should not have any continuity between ground and neutral. Between ground and hot, we got nothing. And from hot to neutral, we've got nothing. It's got, I don't understand why it's beeping. It's showing like 26, 27 ohms. Oh, let's think here a minute. I know I've tested that before and it didn't show up like that. Why is it beeping? Now I've only got 3 ohms. That's weird. So there is something going on there. It's the first time I found anything wrong. That's pretty weird. I am actually getting continuity now between the ground and the neutral, which I've never gotten before.
What do you mean?
Shouldn't be any continuity between the neutral and the ground. and I'm getting some now. So I've tested that wire I don't know how many times, and it's never been an issue.
What would that mean?
There's actually a ground fault somewhere. I took the blue box, and I can see clothes back in there. I'm assuming that's a dresser.
Blue box?
Can we pull that? Yeah, I found all your missing socks, maybe. Can I go in there and take that?
Yeah.
Take those drawers out. Still got 1.3 ohms. So it's down to 1 ohm. 1 to 2. Huh.
All right, let's get the.
Over there is our outlet. This is the wire that comes from the outlet. Look where it was. I pulled it out from under this cabinet right here. Look there. It was pinched pretty hard under the edge of that cabinet. So I'm gonna take a little of this insulation off and see if I can separate those wires and see if that's it. So when I actually chase that wire from that outlet, it comes over here to another outlet. This runs through this outlet before it goes out there to the GFI. Now how crazy is that? All right, but let's see something even crazier. I'll show you here. A mouse has been chewing on this wire up here, and I can't imagine it being a problem, because it looks like they just chewed on the outer edge of it. The more I look at this thing, the weirder it gets. I found where mice chewed on a wire back in here. The power actually comes to this outlet before it goes to the GFI outlet outside. And there's apparently another outlet in that line somewhere. So, yeah. Because there's 3 wires going into this outlet. One of those is coming out and going to our GFI outside. So one's coming in here from the breaker panel, one's going out somewhere else. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna keep looking here. If I find anything interesting, I'll get y'all back out again. I don't know. I fooled around with that outlet inside, got that down to around 1 ohm. Put a new outlet out here, and it seems happy. I don't know if it's just gonna have another failure or what, but I told the customer that at this point, if it's going to continue to have have failures, then we might want to think about running some new wire. And he's like, nah. He said, I don't think we're going to go there. I said, okay. So I guess that's going to be it on GFCI outlet redo part 2. So I don't know if we fixed it or not, but I really think we fixed the one in the bathroom by getting everything tight in that pedestal. I feel pretty confident that's probably what that was. Why he's having trouble with the pedestals now, the GFCI's in the pedestal, I don't know. I mean, he was having trouble before I tightened up the wires in the pedestal, so don't y'all even go there. So that's gonna be it for this, and that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go up the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.